The 2018 Ram 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, passenger airbag, child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.